fed you. Wait. Wait. I fed you all 5. Just 5 minutes ago, I fed you all. Why are you doing like this? Again? दिया था ना खाना 5 मिनट पहले, फिर भी ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो? लोगों को लगेगा कि मैं तुम लोग को कुछ देती ही नहीं हूँ. Everyone is going to think that I don't even feed you guys. So don't do that. It's bad. Okay, Papa? Okay, Lucy? Yes, okay.